Hey guys, welcome to Japanese home cooking and culture channel. Today I'm going to show you Oden. Oden is a home cooked dish made by simmering vegetables, fish cakes, and egg in dashi stock. In Japan, it is often eaten on cold days. Oden is also sold at convenience stores. At supermarket, the ingredients for oden are sold in a single bag, so even foreigners can easily make it. This time, it is a video that even foreigners can easily make. Please try it. Let's get started. Boil a pot of raw eggs to make boiled eggs. Remove the oden ingredient from the bag. At this time, the gum molecule will be added to the pot last, so separate them into separate plates. Add 180 ml of shiro dashi and 1200 ml of water and bring to a boil. Once boiling, turn off the heat, add Japanese radish, konjac, fish cakes, and simmer for 30 minutes just before boiling. I made a mistake and added an egg here, but I will add the egg a little later. After 30 minutes, add an egg and gum molecule and turn off the heat and let the flavor infuse for 1 hour. If you have winner sausages, add them at this point. And again, cover the heat so that it does not boil, and cook for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 1 hour to complete. I finished cooking. Let's eat! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions and requests, please let me know in the comment. See you next video.